And now, Common Sense series, we present you. We will be taking one topic at a time. So today we are going to take, friends, you can change house, you can change your city, you can even change your country, you can change your clothes. Just think about it. Then why not change the food you eat? We are not born with an inbuilt instruction manual, are we? No. Then why we have to use our common sense? That is the reason we have to use our common sense. We must remember that the most valuable medicine is prayers and a very good attitude. आइए, let's know your body. अपनी body को जानिए. It is so important today to understand your body. Don't we earn money for ourselves? Don't we take responsibility for that? Yet, we take no time to blame our fitness trainer or dietitian or a diet pattern if we cannot achieve our fitness goals. Alternatively, we blame lack of time or stress factors for the unhealthy state of our body. But we never blame our own self or take responsibility for our own body and its health. Always remember, this body of ours is going to stay with us for the rest of our life. So let's take a pledge to take good care of it. Like I said earlier, we can change house, localities, cities, countries, jobs, professions, clothes. Then why not this body? It is the most precious trophy we all have today. We all know that the strongest part of any house or building is its foundation. In the same way, it's important for the body to have a very, very strong foundation, and to build that, we should have a very strong immunity system. Cough, colds, skin conditions, air infections, allergies, asthma, headaches, thyroid, BP, etc. are getting so very common these days and occurring almost throughout the year. Through the year, you will find a large number of people suffering from allergies that manifest as throat and respiratory ailments later on. Let me give you an example of living in a flat. There, you must have noticed several lines of defenses to ensure the safety of your family and yourself. You have a strong gate which is manned by several guards and chowkidars. These days, most gated communities even have an app that alerts you about any visitor coming to your house. In addition, you have security cameras where you can see who is entering. Finally, you have a steel door and a wooden door to your flat. You have to take the utmost care to your house to protect it from outsiders. And now, just think about it. What about your body's defense system? Is it not common sense to upgrade your body's defense system, as the most common reasons for any illness is low immunity? We know that all we need is common sense to protect our health, and yet we don't take charge. Instead, we find it so easy to depend on medicines to take care of us. We have no time to even think about ourselves or to worry about why certain things are happening to us time and again. We take it for granted that it's all right to suffer, even telling ourselves sometimes, oh, it's all age related or stress related and it is normal, it's okay, ये तो चलता है, ये तो होता है. Or is it that we just don't care? The main reasons for all our ill health are lack of exercise, adequate rest, lack of nutrition, lack of disciplined eating habits, lack of hydration, and these conditions are compounded by several other things on our daily basis. It could be error in our thinking patterns. It could be hereditary or genetic causes and autoimmune diseases. It can even be as simple as shift duties. And always remember, a bad attitude is also a very big contributor to low immunity. Let's build huge communities. Let's work together. Let's talk to each other. Let's all be happy. Let's all create happiness around us by connecting with each other and making communities of such healthy people. Communities of people by sharing and caring for each other.